Finally, natapos din ang trabaho. Shit, 8:30 na pala. Ah, kaya gutom na ako. Wala na rin tao dito. Maybe mag-take out na lang ako. Chinese, Japanese, or Italian. Huh? Nandito pa siya? Gabi na. Hey, hey, yeah, you! May iba pa bang tao dito? Siyempre ikaw kausap ko. Bakit andito ka pa? Gabi na. Hmm, work also. And I'm guessing hindi ka pa kumain. Hindi ka pa tapos? Pas, tapusin mo na. Samahan mo akong kumain. Go on. Bigyan kita ng 1 minute. Oh, hinay-hinay. Huwag mo masyado ipahalata na excited ka. Yup, kilala kita. Hello, workmates tayo? Aba, baka ako ang hindi mo kilala. Lagot ka sa akin. Very good, baby. You know me then. Bakit? Ayaw mo bang matawag ng baby? Well, ang choice mo lang naman ay baby or slave. That's it. Oh, huwag kang mag-panic. Easy question lang yan. Think about it. Well, for now, ikaw ang baby ko. Let's go? Gutom na ako eh. Well, don't just stand there. Sundan mo ako. Basement 2? Dala mo kotse mo? Well, next time, ask me kung gusto kong sumakay sa kotse mo. Tandaan mo, I make the decisions. I make the rules. Susunod ka lang. Do I have your consent, baby? Good boy. Pero, I kind of want you to show your consent in a different way. Mhm. Lumuhod ka at halikan mo ang pa ako. Sayang naman, bagong pedi yan. Sige na, show me. Hmm, tama yan. Good boy. Oh, really good boy at hindi ka kaagad tumayo. Tandaan mo, you do what I want. Malapit na tayo sa basement. Pwede ka na tumayo, baby. Saan ba nandito yung kotse mo? Oh, dahan-dahan lang ang lakad. Ayoko nai-injure ang laga ko. Okay. How about another kiss before you close the door? My face? Sino nagsabi na pwede mong akong halikan sa muka? That's one. One? One punishment. Go and worship my feet. Hingin mo ang tawad ko. More. There you go. Dilaan mong mabuti. Okay, okay. Tama na. You're forgiven. Well, half forgiven. Mamaya na yung totoong punishment mo. Doon tayo sa bagong restaurant. Malapit sa intersection. Yeah, that one. Kwentuhan mo raw ako while I close my eyes and rest. Hmm? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Wait, hindi ka nag-lunch? You skipped lunch? That's not acceptable. If you're going to be mine, then you need to know. I expect you to take care of yourself properly. Naintindihan mo? Yes. It's yes, mistress. Say that again. Simula bukas, magsisend ka ng pictures ng meal mo sa akin. I expect you to eat healthy. Otherwise, mapaparusahan ka. Oh, we're here. Thanks for opening the door for me, baby. Good boy. Gutom na gutom ka na siguro. Let's eat? Good evening. Table for two? Yung medyo private sana. Yes. Okay na to. Thank you. Tatawagin ka na lang namin pag ready na kaming mag-order. Thank you. Hmm, I want yung seafood pasta. And for dessert, a dark chocolate cake. Ikaw? Yum. Okay, go ahead and order. So, baby, paano mo ako nakilala? Huh? Someone told you that I'm a dom? Sabihin mo pangalan niya sa akin. Ah, siya. Well, hindi siya magaling na slave. Pero you're different, right? Gagalingan mo? For your mistress? Good boy. Ah, you want to be called slave. Alam mo ba ang pinapasok mo? Well then, sasabihin ko sa'yo ang expectations ko for my slave. Ready? Oh, I'm so happy that you look excited rather than scared. Well then, number one, as your mistress, pagsisilbihan mo ako. My pleasure is your pleasure. Number two, hindi mo ako mapagsisilbihan if you are not 100%. So, kailangan mong alagaan ang sarili mo. Don't worry, I'll help make sure of it. Number three, ako lang ang pagsisilbihan mo. I'm a jealous mistress. Your time belongs to me. Number four, what's mine is mine. What's yours is also mine. Number five, well, pwede ka magtanong, pero It's up to me kung gusto kitang sagutin. So, any questions? When do we start? Excited ka, baby? Just so you know, kanina pa tayo nagsimula. Oh, here's our meal. Thank you. Mm, tastes good. How's your food? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, since this is a new restaurant, I wanted to try. But I think they have another branch somewhere. I've never tried that one also. So I'm happy that, the food's great. Oh, you wanted to try this? Oh, sure. So, how is it? Tastes great, huh? Ano yun? You can ask, can you spoil me? Gusto mo akong spoil? My dear slave, I have really expensive tastes. Are you sure you can afford to spoil me? Hindi ako titira sa isang studio condominium in a sketchy part of the city. No offense. Oh, wait. Muntik ko nang makalimutan. You still have a punishment. Remember? Oops, I dropped my fork. I think kailangan mo siyang pulutin. Gumapang ka sa sahig parang aso at kunin mo yung tinidor ko gamit ang iyong bibig. Mhm. Bilisan mo, slave. Tago ang table natin. Pero baka bumalik ang server anytime. Oh, good job! Like a puppy! Woof woof! Nandiyan yung slave ko. Sa tingin mo, mapapansin ng staff at mga tao dito ang tinatago ng pantalon mo? Well, part of your punishment, slave. Bawal mong ayusin yan. Tandaan mo, I'm the only one who can give you pleasure. No touching yourself. Well, busog na ako. Pay for the meal and let's go. Gusto mo akong ihatid? No. Hindi mo pa deserve malaman kung saan ako nakatira. Kailangan mong paghirapan yun, slave. Good night. I'll see you at work tomorrow.